The question says factorize the given expression completely, and the equation is 7m squared plus 6m minus 1. Let's compare it with the general form of a quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now when we compare it, we should be able to find the values of a, b and c. So we get a as 7, b as 6 and c is negative 1. Now we are looking out for two numbers which would multiply to the value of ac and add up to the value of b. A times c gives you 7 times negative 1, which is negative 7, and the value of b is 6. So basically we are looking at two numbers which would multiply to negative 7 and add up to 6. So 7 and negative 1, because 7 times negative 1 gives you negative 7 and 7 plus negative 1 gives you a positive 6. Now let's go ahead and use these numbers to split the middle term. So when we do that, we get 7m squared plus 6m minus 1, and the middle term can be written as 7m minus m. So the equation would turn out to be 7m squared plus 7m minus m minus 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and group the first two as group 1, second two numbers as group 2, and as we can see 7m is common from the first group, so I can factor that out, leaving us 7m times of m plus 1, and then minus 1 is common from the second group, so minus 1 times of m plus 1. Now m plus 1 is common in both the terms, so I can go ahead and factor that out as well. So we get m plus 1 times of 7m minus 1 as our completely factored form for the given quadratic expression. So now the key takeaways here are the general form of the quadratic expression, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, and the two numbers being multiplying to the value of ac and the adding up to the value of b.